So hi guys, nagbabalik po ako sa third trial sa aking Flashcards. So let's go. Let's answer this. I hope makukuha ko na ito lahat guys. So let's go to the first question. Ay sorry, baliktad. So what are the weaknesses of the Agile model? So the weaknesses of the Agile model is it is require close collaboration, difficult to predict, and cost and time. Require cost collaboration, difficult to predict, and cost and time. So one question correct. Let's move to the second question. So what are the typical phases of waterfall model? So the typical phases of waterfall model is sorry guys, I have no idea what. Requirement analysis, system design, deployment and maintenance. Sorry guys. So one out of two guys. Sorry. So the second is, the third is compare waterfall and agile model and time to market. So when it time to market, waterfall is a longer process, while the agile faster. So madali lang magagawa ang agile, and it is also flexible to, unlike to waterfall. So waterfall is longer and faster ang agile. So let's move to the fourth questions. So the agile model is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. I think so. Yes, it is sprint. Blurred. Sorry guys, blurred. So sprints. So five out of wait. 4 out. 3 out of 4. Good start. So what are the strengths of the waterfall model? The strength of the waterfall model, it is clear structure, predictability, good for large project. Clear structure. So let's move to the 6. So what are the strengths of the agile model? So the strengths of the agile model is flexibility and customer collaboration. So that's all. Sorry. So I have correct. So 5 out of 6. 5 out of 6. Good start guys. So what are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? So the weaknesses of the waterfall model is unflexibility, cause inflexibility pala, sorry. Slow adaptation for changes, less testing. So wrong ako guys. So 7 yung answer. So let's move to the 8th question. So what are the key agile methodologies? So the key agile methodologies is Scrum and extreme programming. Let's see. Scrum and extreme programming guys. So mukhang good start to guys So the 9th question. So what are the two distinct approaches of software development? So we know na the agile and the waterfall. So waterfall and agile. Nice start. 2 mistakes. 3 pala, sorry. So the blank is a linear and sequential software develop approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begin. So the answer is waterfall models. Correct. So 7 out of 8. Hindi masama guys, let's go. I answer 7 out of 8 as 7 out of 10 pala, sorry.